Hello, titanium straw fans. Yeah, you're probably not one, but you might want to become one. I'm kind of replacing all my low-grade stainless things that are exposed to acidic things because I read an article where someone theoretically died from drinking out of a low-grade coffee mug for 10 years. So all the coffee was leaching out the metals, the bad metals and the good metals, I don't know. But anyway, so titanium shouldn't have that problem. So this is Boundless Voyage, and it's for camping, I assume, but I see no reason why you can't use titanium stuff in your kitchen or at home. So a little travel bag for camping, but it's pretty hard to scratch up titanium. Not sure if I really need these, because I did buy those, and I don't even know what else I could put in these things, so kind of garbage for me. Alright, so there we go. Two different styles, two different sizes. So the smaller one, by the way, it comes with a cleaning brush, which is good. Ooh, a lot of dust in there, so there's some titanium dust in there. You want to clean these before you use them. The OD of this is 6 millimeters. The wall thickness is 0.1 millimeter. Wow, quite thin. But titanium is strong, very light and strong, better than steel, better than aluminum, kind of mix of the two. But it never rusts. It doesn't corrode very easily. So Boundless Voyage titanium is literally, I don't know if that's printed or laser etched. I would assume it's laser etched to keep it there for a long time. The end of this one here is very smooth. There's no sharp edges, so I don't think you're going to cut yourself with this. There's some sort of process to round off the cutting. Alright, so that's the thin one. And then I got this big one as well. And the OD of this one is 7. Wall thickness, I would assume, is the same. Yeah, 0.1. Not even. I don't know. 0.3. Hard to measure. Sorry. And so naturally this one is bent. And it also has the Boundless Voyage titanium thing there. Okay, so I'm positive this is titanium just because of the weight of it. Well, we may as well measure it. So the straight short one is only 7 grams. And actually, we should probably, I think the listing says 21.5 centimeters or 8.5 inches in its length. Okay. The bent one, a little harder. Its length is somewhere like 8.25 or 21 centimeters. And it weighs, oh, that's harder to do. I can't get it on this little scale. Hold on. Gonna get some poster putty. Gonna tear it. This is 8 grams, so it's a bigger diameter, so it makes sense, but that's very, very light. Here's a giant boba stainless steel one. And this is over 20 grams, right? So, alright. Rough dimensioning is done. Now, I had this stainless steel acid tester, and it's supposed to be put on objects for 3 minutes, and it basically leaches out or basically melts any of the bad iron, I suppose. So it changes color. And this is representing stainless steel grades. This is some really cheap stainless steel. It's so bad it's already rusting. I already used this in a different test. But I don't use acids here. This is measuring like baking soda, so that's why I'll still use it. So let me set the timer to 3 minutes. I'm going to put a drop on these, and it's probably going to roll off and just collect on the bottom, but we'll just look on the other side anyways what it looks like. So this one you're clearly going to see. So this, oh, reset, 1, 2, 3. Get this fluid ready. Alright, so that started for 3 minutes. Put a bunch of drops here, drops there, on the straw there, and in there. And this is going to react very fast because it's garbage. Yeah, so it pulled off to the bottom, but it should probably be reacting on the bottom. So you might want to come back in 3 minutes, but you can already see this low grade one is changing color. It's already 301. But I think it might be 202 stainless. This one might take 3 minutes to actually change to discolor, but we'll see. Fast forward and come back. Okay, so yeah, this one clearly is low grade stainless, and if you did put lime juice or coffee, tea, tomato juice, acidic things, it's gonna leach out whatever that is, right? So that's not good. So yeah, this is stainless, but it's a fairly high grade of stainless because it's been 3 minutes and it hasn't discolored. It just was sitting in that pool and it's still like this greenish color. So this may be 316, right? Worst case scenario, it might be 304. The titanium being a whole different metal entirely, it doesn't react at all. Oh boy, I shouldn't touch that. I gotta wipe my hands. So yeah, it was resting on that whole thing, and this one as well, and there's no discoloration because it's titanium. There's no iron in it or anything like that. So again, based off the weight, based off the appearance, I'm positive these are titanium. So it's better than any stainless steel, in my opinion, if you're trying to resist acids or acidic drinks and metals leaching into your beverages. So for me, thumbs up. I did see another brand called Keith. I might get those. The only issue I have with these two is they're quite thin, right? This is fine for drinking liquids, but I like to drink smoothies a lot, and that's why I have this giant one. So I'll have to see if I can find a giant sized titanium straw. So we'll see if that happens in the future. Thanks for checking this out today.